If you had never heard of UiPath stock before and I told you the company is an automation and artificial intelligence platform software services company, you would have said, great, that stock is probably up big time here in 2024. But it's not. UiPath stock, despite being an artificial intelligence and automation platform for businesses to improve productivity and save costs, is actually down 40% year to date in 2024. So what's going on with the company? Well, several things, most notably an abrupt change of leadership. The CEO ousted the previous CEO and retook the helm as CEO from previously being the founder and CEO and stepping down and then retaking that position again. And that strategic shift at the top has caused a big decrease in UiPath stock price. But most of that happened at the beginning of the year. By June, July, the stock price had stabilized and it's on the path upward. So let's take a look inside. Let's see what's going on UiPath right now and see the latest developments.
I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
So the company's CEO and founder, Daniel Dines, who retook the helm as CEO, noted that third quarter revenue came in at $355 million and non-GAAP operating income came in at $50 million. Now, these were better than what the management team was forecasting for investors. So they delivered ahead of guidance again. And in the coming months, the entire UiPath community will be able to build, maintain, and deploy agents, significantly expanding the surface area of automation within their companies. The management team saying that this is our most consequential product launch in years. Wow, that could be huge, right? AI agents are a big thing right now. They can help businesses improve productivity and decrease cost. These agents can communicate with employees to improve their productivity, but these AI agents can also communicate with customers, retrieving proprietary data from within the company to answer customer questions and solve customer problems. So the CEO saying that, I'll quote a large airline customer who recently told us that this software is not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift in how we perceive the potential of our operations. So based on what they're forecasting this product to be, it sounds like it's going to be huge. The CEO didn't give very many numbers to support these forecasts or optimisms, but they did say that they've begun accepting registrations for their private preview and that over 1,000 organizations have already signed up. That's a pretty big sales funnel right there. Potential customers, 1,000 already signed up. This is basically 1,000 customers saying, we're open to your sales pitch. Pitch us your product, convince us why we need to buy your product. And that's already an opening. Maybe not all, well, almost certainly not all 1,000 of these organizations will sign up for this product, but it won't be zero either. It'll be somewhere between 0 and 1,000. And the bigger this sign up is, the bigger the potential market base for this product. So you've probably already heard of AI agents before. UiPath won't be the only one with this product in the market. And so UiPath is saying, what makes us different? They're saying three things. First, their agents and robots will work across all applications, both new and legacy, eliminating vendor lock-in for our customers. So, for instance, you don't have to only be with the Google ecosystem in order to utilize their AI agents. You can be with Google, you can be with Salesforce, with Snowflake, with a variety of vendors, and still use the UiPath agentic process to access all of those different data silos. And correctly, they're saying that business processes today don't run on a single system. If you're lucky, the company you work for has only one system. I have to deal with, I can't even count how many systems I'm working with, and I'm actively trying to reduce the number of systems I'm working with because the amount of logins and security verifications, etc., can balloon out of control, and you're spending so much time logging in, logging out, and trying to access information at various different silos, it's more effective if you can bring it all together and consolidate. And if you have UiPath, then that allows a business to have several different vendors while still utilizing these agents, and that is an advantage in itself. Second, they say, is governance. Agents orchestration will be the conductor or the governor across agents, robots, peoples, and model. And third, we will democratize access to agents by leveraging our low code platform. And that's a big deal for individuals like myself that don't know how to code very well. My coding knowledge is very, very limited, very, very basic. I had to take a coding class as part of my master's degree in financial economics, and that's the extent of my training on coding. So if there's a product that allows someone like me with very little knowledge of coding to implement, that broadens the accessibility. I'm interested in this product, right? I could certainly use this kind of product across my various business activities. And if I can access that without having to have coding knowledge, that's a huge advantage because price is not my constraint, but it's more so the coding requirement that's my constraint for using these types of applications, incorporating it into across all my various activities across my various working. So IDC is already forecasting the market for agent labor automation to grow to 4.1 billion by 2028, and that's from zero last year. I wouldn't be surprised if this market expands beyond this $4 billion level to rise even more as it becomes more and more accessible, and as the use cases continue to increase, and as our lives become more digital, the use cases for a product like this will increase as well. So their largest deal in the quarter was for building one of these kinds of agent use cases for a healthcare customer who's been with them since 2018. So they're already starting to see signups for this product. It'll be interesting to see when they give us an update next quarter to see how well this is progressing. How many of those 1,000 customers that signed up for the preview actually turn into paying customers for this product. Regardless to say, this is an interesting AI and automation company that's right in line with what enterprises want today, and that is increasing productivity from employees and being able to do more with fewer employees given the labor shortages across the world. Hey everyone, so many of you have been asking about my investing strategy, and I'm excited to announce that I've written a book that's available for sale now that describes my 6-step investing framework for evaluating stocks. I've added the link in the description below.